At Rice University, our Fundamentals of Computing specialization brings the expertise of our world-class faculty directly to you, transforming your programming skills. From absolute beginners to budding programmers, our courses guide you through Python programming, interactive applications, and the principles of computation. You'll develop over 20 exciting projects, including classic games and real-world data analysis. Gain hands-on experience with coding standards, algorithmic thinking, and advanced problem-solving. Our unique Capstone exam ensures you graduate with the confidence and skills to tackle real-world computational problems. Unlock your potential with the Fundamentals of Computing specialization at Rice University and start your journey toward computational mastery.